Welcome to Central Marina Outlet Pattaya, one of the most convenient and enjoyable shopping spots right in the heart of Pattaya. In today's POV walk, we are taking you through the mall from the outside area into the shops, restaurants, outlet stores, and the lively atmosphere that makes this place feel different from a normal shopping center. If you are visiting Pattaya and want somewhere relaxed, easy to walk around, good for shopping, good for food, and also nice for photos, this is definitely a place worth checking out. Central Marina Outlet is located in Pattaya, Chonburi, in a very convenient area for both tourists and locals. It sits around Pattaya's second road, close to hotels, tourist areas, beachside attractions, restaurants, and nightlife zones. That makes it easy to visit during the day for shopping or in the evening when the outdoor area becomes more colorful and lively. It is not just a mall where you come in, buy something, and leave. It has more of a lifestyle feeling where you can walk slowly, explore different corners, enjoy the design, grab a drink, eat something, and spend time with friends or family. As we walk in, the first thing you notice is the atmosphere. Central Marina Outlet has a coastal, marina-inspired style, so it feels lighter and more open than many indoor malls. The design has a relaxed seaside mood, which fits Pattaya really well. Pattaya is already known for its beach, travel energy, nightlife, seafood, hotels, and international visitors, and this mall connects with that feeling. It gives you a place to escape the heat, but still keeps that holiday atmosphere. The open areas, bright lights, shop fronts, decorations, and outdoor plaza make it feel comfortable and easygoing. This is also a very good place for people who enjoy outlet shopping. The main attraction is that you can find discounted fashion, sportswear, shoes, lifestyle products, beauty items, gadgets, and everyday essentials in one location. Instead of going to many separate stores around the city, you can walk through Central Marina Outlet and explore different categories in one trip. The official mall guide lists shopping and dining categories, such as food, fashion, sport, beauty, wellness, IT and gadgets, and other lifestyle services. So it is designed for a mix of tourists, families, casual shoppers, and people who live in Pattaya. CentralMarinaOutlet.com. For sportswear and shoes, this is one of the best parts of the mall. You can find outlet-style shopping for sneakers, sports shoes, training clothes, casual wear, bags, and accessories. The mall directory includes stores such as Nike Factory Store, Skechers Outlet, Super Sports, Bata, Body Glove, Giordano, Export Shop, and other fashion and lifestyle shops. So whether you are looking for
นิโอมายิงให้ก่อนให้เขาไม่ได้เนี่ยเดี๋ยวจะไหลง่าย
Thank you.